morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the Bitcoin USD pair and recent events during the markets. Greg?
Bitcoin has added 2.6% in the last 3 sessions. The Williams indicator has moved sharply into the positive area. The euro-dollar pair has added 1.1% in the last 3 sessions. Stochastic has warmed up and is currently overbought. The sterling-dollar pair has added 0.7% in the last 3 sessions. The ultimate oscillator is sinking and is now entering the positive area. The Aussie-dollar pair has gained 1.9% in the last 3 sessions. The ATR moved into the high volatility area.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
Norway's Adevinta has won the auction to buy the bulk of eBay's classified ads unit for nearly $9 billion. The euro-sterling pair is testing the 0.90 level after the EU summit agreement, despite grim UK borrowing data and rising tensions between the UK and China. The price and trade volume of Dogecoin exploded following a get-rich-quick TikTok challenge that went viral, followed by a humorous tweet by Elon Musk.
Thank you, and now let's go through today's major economic events.
The German GfK consumer climate will be released at 400 GMT, the U.S. continuing jobless claims at 10:30 GMT, the Eurozone's consumer confidence at 1200 GMT, New Zealand's trade balance at 2045 GMT, the Australian manufacturing PMI at 2100 GMT, and the UK GfK consumer confidence at 2101 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.